In this video, you'll learn how to hire someone on Taskrabbit for your TV mounting needs. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate the platform to find a suitable tasker for your project. Start by logging into your Taskrabbit account on the website. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Once logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard where you can access various services. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the page, type in TV mounting and press enter. A list of related services will appear. Click on the option that corresponds to TV mounting to proceed to the next step. After that, you will need to enter your location, input the address, zip code, or city where the TV will be mounted. Once you enter this information, a confirmation message will appear indicating that Taskrabbit services are available in your area. This step is crucial to ensure that you can find taskers nearby. Then select the number of TVs you need mounted. You will see options ranging from 1 to 5. Choose the appropriate number based on your requirements, as this will help the tasker prepare for the job. Now, specify whether someone will be available to help lift the TV. You will see several options. Someone will be around, no one will be around for larger TVs, not needed. If there are no TVs above 60 inches or unsure if needed, select the option that best fits your situation. Next, choose the type of mount you want to use for your TV. Options include fixed low profile, tilting, articulating full motion, or other not sure. Selecting the right mount type is important for ensuring proper installation. Following that, indicate the type of wall the TV will be mounted on. You can choose from options such as drywall, plaster or wood, brick or concrete, metal or other not sure. This information helps the tasker understand what tools they may need. Then select any additional services you might require. Options include hiding wires behind the wall, installing speakers or sound bars, or device and accessory setup. Adding these services can enhance your overall experience. You will also have the opportunity to add any extra details that may help your tasker prepare for the job. If needed, you can send photos after booking to provide further context. Next, browse through the available taskers. You can compare them by hourly rate, reviews, and availability. Click on a tasker's profile to learn more about their qualifications. Then click Select to choose them for your project. After selecting a tasker, pick a date and time that works best for you based on their availability. This scheduling step ensures that both you and the tasker are aligned on the timing of the job. Finally, review all the booking details carefully. If necessary, update your payment method. Once everything looks correct, click on Confirm and Chat to complete the booking process. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your booking has been successfully made. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.